This week I will show you my go-to product for weight control and cleansing. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. You probably know the importance of healthy gut bacteria for your overall health. This week I will show you my new favorite go-to product for an occasional cleanse for weight control and other benefits. It's called Koso. It's a Japanese probiotic drink. Koso means enzyme in Japanese. I found this product because my friend was raving about it. Ever since I hit 40, I've noticed it's becoming harder and harder to lose weight. Since late last year, I've been doing an occasional cleanse with this about every 2 to 3 months, and I'm loving it because it makes it so easy to lose weight in a healthy way. Its benefits are enhanced gut health, better digestion, healthy weight, help with skin trouble, boost immunity, body and mind detox, mental clarity, better sleep, and improve concentration. The product is made in Japan and made of more than 100 ingredients of fruits, veggies, seaweed, and mushrooms, which are fermented over a year. It's vegan, non-GMO, and dairy-free. You can learn more on their website. It comes in this beautiful box. You get your own referral discount, a sticker. The brochure has the program options for once a day, 1-day cleanse, and 3-day cleanse. I just did their 3-day cleanse and this was my 3rd time. The inner box is also beautiful. I think this would be a nice gift for a health-conscious person. The best before date is more than 2.5 years away. Good shelf life, but it will be long gone by then. It comes with a little measuring cup for 30 milliliters. But this is not a shot glass. Here's the bottle. It's a very thick syrup. For cleansing, you mix 30 milliliters or 1 measuring cup with half cup of sparkling water or filtered water 3 to 5 times a day. But you can have little more as a beginner. I like to mix it with a room temperature or slightly lukewarm water like body temperature, but never a boiling hot water, because in general, enzymes break down above 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. And I put it in the measuring cup to mix, but not so much for measurement, but for washing the measuring cup because I don't want to waste any of this product. Sometimes I mix it with Pellegrino and it's very refreshing. And I love the taste. It tastes like a sweet plum juice and it's very easy to drink. I love plum wines, so this is like a plum wine without the alcohol. Before I started to cleanse, I avoided meat, fish, dairy products, processed foods, fatty foods, deep fried foods, sweets, gluten, sugar, caffeine, and alcohol for 1 day. This time I had 3 glasses of Koso the first day, 5 glasses the second day, and 5 glasses the 3rd day. I also had warm water or warm lemon water in between. And I lost 1.8 pounds after day 1, 1.2 pounds after day 2, and another pound after day 3. So I lost a total of 4 pounds, which is consistent with the other 2 times I've done in the past. I love how flat my tummy feels. After the 3-day cleanse, from day 4 through 6, you need to be easy on your digestive system with recovery foods and avoid taking the same food I avoided before the cleanse. They have sample recovery meal plan in Western version and Japanese version on their website. I sort of follow their Japanese one. I'll put the link for both in the description below as a reference. After the 3-day cleanse, I had about 2/5 of the bottle left. I will be drinking a glass a day and I will be mixing in 1-day cleanse here and there. My friend has also done 2-day cleanse and he liked it. On their website, I've read you can mix it with alcohol, so I asked them which alcohol is good to mix it with. And they gave me these cocktail recipes with whiskey and vodka. You can also mix it with a whiskey highball, ginger highball, or chuhai, which is a mixed drink with Japanese wine called shochu, which I love. I just came out of the recovery food period, so I can't wait to try them. This is not a sponsored video, but when I asked them some questions, I told them that I'll be introducing their products because I love it. They made a special referral discount code, which is YASUKO10 for 10% off. I'll also put a link below, but if you don't see a discount for some reason, make sure you put YASUKO10 at the checkout. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos up and out. Cheers or kanpai to your health.